the shot. Damn it.
Damn! Alright, stuff is getting done in the engine bay. So Mateo and I have been working on the STI, getting everything ready to get out. Radiators out. Hey Christian. A bunch of other... We've been spending most of our time removing a bunch of old hoses. That's where the majority of our efforts have gone to. Connectors and whatnot. I'll just show you guys. Yeah, radiators out, power steering is all disconnected, AC line disconnected, alternators out. We just have the transmission bolts, engine mounts, and the starter to get out. And then a couple other one-off hoses that Matthew is working on right now. I also fixed Christian's bike over there. I got a new transmission because it wasn't shifting.
Burn this clutch out. So.
I mean, those bikes do have clutches.
Oh.
Well, they're called clutches, but they have no similarities to a car clutch. They're, yeah. Now have most of the wiring disconnected. We ran into a problem with one of our ratchets getting stuck when removing one of the bolts, so we're trying to deal with that right now. But yeah, the engine's still in the car, unfortunately, obviously. Oh. That's a 3/8 extender. Just snapped. Well, we cut it.
Am I gonna drop the turbo engine in my car?
Oh my god. Alright. It's 100% time for food break. That was such a nightmare pulling the engine harness through the intake manifold. We had to remove the AC compressor as well now. Did you know this block used to be silver?
Oh, yuck. And you snapped this thing.
Yeah, the track, I cracked that on accident. But my timing cover, I have to order a new one. Like, it's cracked here. What the heck? God damn it. Well, whatever. Let's go do something else for a little bit.
Hungry.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
What you doing there?
Trying to get the last bell housing bolts off to... Then we can start lifting the engine and splitting it off the trans. This is taking way too long.
What were you saying? Everybody pulls it out in like what, 2 hours?
Well, I've been told I can do it in like 4 hours. I don't have a watch on, but it's been longer than 4 hours.
Yeah, I've been here longer than 4 hours now.
Yeah, I know. I think this is not going to be long enough. Oh boy. This is definitely not long enough. Confirmed. That's scary. Subarus are dumb. Just buy a brand new long block if you ever have engine issues and just swap the engine in. Or go JDM EJ207.
I'm still not over this song. What is going on?
There we go. Wait here, go. Let me check the wiring and everything. God, that is so inconvenient. Those are right there. Yeah. What the hell? Tell me about it.
The plugs weren't actually that bad to take off. Well,
was really easy.
all right, pull your Miata. Let's drop it in real quick. Same day. Same day swap. Well, we gotta replace the head. We're not gonna machine the heads. We'll just do the head gaskets right now and then drop it in the Miata. It'll last maybe 40,000 miles.
He's ready for it.
Yeah, he's just waiting. But yours is the one that needs a power upgrade for track. I got my SR already. Tomorrow or like 2 days from now, I'm gonna go ham cleaning this engine bay. Like, we're gonna make this spotless.
All this and I'm getting paid. Oh man, the STI is going in for a big upgrade. I'm excited for this.
Forged internals, what?
No, but big to me. Well, this is gonna require some manpower. Do you vlog, bro? Jesus.
Put finger in the stuff.
I just wanted to touch the little turbine thing. It's not wiggling around.
See, Will, tell me a shaft play.
I do. Oh, there you go. No, not really. It's fine.
So are we gonna go see Incredibles 2 now? I feel like definitely pulling engines out and then getting them on the stand is one of the more little bit stressful and super and tedious because you want to get a good balance and whatnot, especially because it's gonna be sitting for days.
I'm not stressed. This took way too long though. Maybe it was because Seawell left us. It didn't help. Didn't even help when he was home.
I think so too.
Ow, back.